This isn't a get-rich-quick thing. It's a strategy that real creators, including me, use every day. If you're serious about turning TikTok into a side hustle or a full-time income stream, stay with me until the end because I'll also share extra tips that help my videos convert to sales. Hey y'all, it's Sharon B, Life by Sharon B. If you're new here, welcome. I share real side hustles, work-from-home jobs, and income streams that actually work. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Today we're breaking down how to make $100 a day with TikTok Shop in 2025. Step 1. How TikTok Shop works. TikTok Shop is an affiliate program inside TikTok. No inventory, no shipping. You promote trending products. And when someone buys through your link, TikTok pays you a commission. Commissions can be 10% to 50% or more. Example, a $30 product at 30% earns you $9. 12 sales a day is over $100. Step 2. Picking the right products. Don't pick random products. Choose items that are trending, have high commissions, and are easy to promote. Top categories: fitness, beauty, kitchen gadgets, lifestyle, and supplements. I sort by commission and see what's hot. Step 3. Post daily. You don't need to go viral. Be consistent. Post 1 to 3 short videos daily. Use trending sounds or voiceovers. Add clear text overlays with your hook and benefit. Simple videos convert best. Step 4. Go live. Lives are one of the fastest ways to hit $100 a day. Go live showing the product, add your link to your showcase, and talk naturally. Many of my best sales came from going live. Step 5. Stack products. Don't rely on one item. Stack a few. One $25 product sold 4 times equals $100. Or several smaller ones that add up. Pin your top 3 products so viewers see them first. Step 6. Clear CTA. Always have a call to action. Examples: tap the bag on the screen. It's linked in my showcase. Click my profile and tap the cart. Step 7. Daily routine. Pick products and film in the morning. Post and reply to comments in the afternoon. Go live at night. Check your earnings daily. Consistency builds momentum. Bonus tips. Niche content converts best. Track what works and double down. You don't need a big following to make sales. Outro. If you're serious about making $100 a day with TikTok Shop: 1. Pick high commission products. 2. Post daily and go live. 3. Stack your earnings. Check out my TikTok Shop showcase to see what's performing right now. I'll be going live on weekends to show my real-time strategy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Sharon B, Life by Sharon B. See you in the next one.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and click here to watch the next one.